Have you noticed a butterfly's wings are perfect mirrors of each other? That's symmetry. Let's learn how it works. A line of symmetry splits a shape into two identical halves. A square has 4, but a rectangle only has 2. Rotational symmetry counts how many times a shape fits onto itself in one full turn. This triangle has order 3. Common mistake. Students draw diagonals on parallelograms as symmetry lines. A parallelogram has 0 lines of symmetry. Remember, for any regular polygon, the number of sides equals both its lines of symmetry and its rotational order. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.